Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Garmin Instinct 3. From its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Garmin Instinct 3, Garmin's traditional charging cable, and an instruction manual. If you're interested in picking up the Garmin Instinct 3, don't worry, I've dropped the link in the description so you can grab it directly from Amazon. Charge your watch. To charge your Garmin Instinct 3, just plug the charging cable into the charging port of the watch at the back of the watch. Just make sure the pins are lined up. Then, plug the other end into a USB port or a UL-certified charger. The Garmin Instinct generally takes about 1 to 2 hours for a full charge from 0% to 100%. Set up with app. Start by turning your watch on and selecting your watch language. Press the upper right button to connect with the phone. Then your watch will show you a QR code, scan it with your phone camera, and it'll automatically connect with your phone. Download and install the Garmin Connect app, then open it. If you already have an account, sign into your account. Add your email and password, then tap Next. Tap Connected. Then it'll show you a 6-digit code. Tap on Pair and you'll be paired successfully. Tap Next to set your schedules and goal. Basic operations. Wrap the watch firmly around your lower arm just above your wrist, as shown below. Do not fasten the watch too tightly. Supports full-screen touch operations. Garmin Instinct 3 has 5 physical buttons. Button operations. Smart features. The Garmin Instinct 3 offers advanced performance features like Endurance Score, Visual Race Predictor, Pace Pro technology, Climb Pro feature, Grade Adjusted Pace, Training Status, Performance Metrics, Multi-Sport Auto Transition, Hill Score, Daily Suggested Workouts, Recovery Time, Race Widget, Wrist-based running dynamics, Garmin Coach, and track your activities. The Garmin Instinct 3 blends seamlessly with health-focused features like Morning Report, HRV status, wrist-based heart rate, Pulse Ox sensor, Sleep Coach, Daily Movements, Mindful Breathing, Body Fitness Age, Stress Tracking, Health Snapshot feature, Respiration Tracking, Hydration Tracking, and Women's Health Tracking. See and be seen with a built-in flashlight, featuring variable intensities and an alternate red light. Make a bold statement with a vibrant 1.3-inch AMOLED display and 50mm case. Garmin Connectivity. Built with seamless connectivity, the Garmin Instinct 3 effortlessly combines with multiple features like Garmin Messenger app, smart notifications, music, live track feature, Garmin Share, safety and tracking features, ABC sensors, Connect IQ Store, and Garmin Pay contactless payments. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Garmin Instinct 3. See you in the next one.